Welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are in Quebec. We're just about to get on to route for AUT 40. I don't know. We've just gotten off the 401. And I think we're getting on to the 40/30 or whatever this is. We're just starting to come in. We haven't gone over the long bridges yet, so yeah, we're on the 30. GPS is done. Oh. So around here on your right hand side, there used to be a truck stop, Flying J here, somewhere in this area. Wasn't too far into it. And Quebec kind of forced them out of Quebec because they were not willing to change everything from English to French or something like that. There was some reason why, but Quebec forced the Flying J out of Quebec. So now you're not going to find any Flying J's in Quebec. They were forced out. Why? I have no idea. I'm guessing it's because they didn't want to change anything into all French. I don't know. But they moved out and just moved into Ontario, not that far from state province line. But it was a Flying J. I swear it was around here somewhere. It wasn't too far. It's a long time ago. It was when did that happen? Good 15 years ago, I guess. Good 15 years ago that they forced them out. It was before this turn. I know that. It was before this turn, so it was back there somewhere. But Montreal is growing up so fast. All this stuff on the right-hand side was never here. There's buildings here now that weren't there. It was just open field with, some factories and things like that. Now it's built up. Montreal is expanding. Which is a good thing. Right? Montreal, if you've never been to Quebec, Montreal is French and English-speaking city. There's a lot of people that, Montreal is a big tourist town as well. It's a lot of people come here and check out Montreal. Now, if you want to go to an all French-speaking city, then you go to Quebec City. I don't think anybody speaks English there. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to move over. Thank you. So, yeah, it's, but Quebec, or Montreal, I've known some people that lived here, and they said it was a great place to live. And they may have spoke a little bit of French, but they didn't have a French accent. And, so, like I said, there's only one time that I came to Montreal and it wasn't due to work reasons. And I was here for 8 days. Didn't get a chance to go and do anything else. I just had surgery, so I was stuck. twice, on the way there and on the way back. Well, this sucks. Hopefully this ain't gonna be on too long like this. And I can't see if it's this lane or it's the other lane that is closed. I think it's the other lane. I think we're good in this lane. Yeah, this summer we're going to come down and we're going to check out Montreal for, you know, pleasure. See what we can see. So leave a comment down below, where should we go to check out cool things if you've been to Montreal or you live in Montreal. Let us know what it is and we'll go check it out. We'll film it and everything else. Why not? Film it for Truck Spotting Great Lakes and for planes, trains, and boats online. You know, we got a couple of channels. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button and hit that notification for the bell. Hit that bell button too, so you can you'll never miss out on any of the new videos that come in. I have 25 miles to go. I don't have to be at the customer until 1 o'clock. 1300, that's 1 o'clock. So I think we're good. And once I get unloaded with this, then I gotta go pick up something from somewhere. I don't even know how far it is away. Let me see. Email. It's 15 miles from my last place to my new place to pick up. They want me there for 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it gives me an hour to get these guys unloaded me and then get out of there and get to the next place. I hope it's gonna be all right. I hope I don't have a problem with it. I hope I'm not gonna be late, and then I pick up that, which is 900 cases, weight of 8,000 pounds of I don't even know what it is, fresh mixed food, produce, going to Loblaws, Cambridge, for tomorrow at 11:30 in the morning. So that means I should be in there. I'll deliver the load. I have no idea how long Loblaws is going to take, but from there I'm only 45 minutes to the yard, clean up the truck, clean up what I want to take, go home, and then not go back to work until Wednesday. So I got to get my passport taken care of because it expires on the 27th of this month. And it is the 7th today. So I have 20 days to get this done, and I don't want to take a chance of going back out again and not making it back in time. So they really definitely need to work on this road. I think they are, but we got a lot of huge bumps and, you know, to get through or whatever. Anyways, they've been working on this forever. There's that long bridge. So I don't know. Anyways, well, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you hit that subscribe button and all that fun stuff. And with that, I'm going to let you be. Thank you for watching this car on. And thank you for letting me rant in your ear. And have yourself a fantastic day. Bye for now.